Hi everyone, and welcome back to the MS Workouts YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to continue our work that we've been executing this month on improving your mobility so you can rely less on your cane, walker, or assisted device in this brand new year of 2023. But before we get started, I have a couple things that I'd like to announce about our channel. Beginning February 1st, 2023, we will be discontinuing our YouTube channel membership program. Boo, I know, but hold on a second. Let me explain why, okay? After a thorough review with the team, we felt like it didn't allow us the ability to connect with each and every one of you on the level that we truly want to. So as a result, we have decided to end the channel membership program here on YouTube and replace it with a live workout class every single month led by our in-house steady pace trainer, Jacqueline. This event will be offered at no cost whatsoever and will take place on our YouTube channel. To be alerted when Jacqueline goes live every month, simply make sure that you subscribe to our channel and have turned on those notifications. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter so that we can send you a link to join Jacqueline once she goes live on YouTube. You can find the link to sign up for the newsletter in the description box below. Now, some of you are probably bummed out that the channel membership program on YouTube is going away, and we understand that. So with that in mind, we've decided to offer you a tremendous discount into our membership program at msworkouts.com. Until February 15th, go ahead and use the coupon code YouTube and you will receive 20% off the monthly membership plan at MS Workouts. Just go to www.msworkouts.com, select the monthly membership plan, and enter coupon code YouTube to get 20% off your purchase. With all that being said, let's go ahead and shift gears and focus on this week's workout video where I'm going to guide you through 3 exercises that will help you walk farther, faster, better, and stronger. Let's do this. Let's continue our work on increasing that mobility. Now, today we're going to change speeds just a bit. The last several weeks, we've been giving you exercise, right? Strength training to help supercharge the muscles that are involved in allowing you to increase the mobility so you can rely less on the assisted device, the cane, all the above. Now, we know, right? You know that exercise is only supposed to be a high intensity and lower frequency and duration, right? So 1 to 3 times a week. So today, instead of exercise, what we're going to do is give you some movement, okay? Some active rest recovery modalities. And at MS Workouts, we walk with you hand in hand 7 days a week. Not just during the strength training days, but on these recovery active rest days. So I want you to utilize this movement drill here today that we're going to execute in between the strength training sessions, okay? So execute that video we did last week, 1 to 3 times per week, and this movement drill between. Ready to do this? Let's go ahead and start things off. All right, we're going to execute a sit to stand, okay? So just give your best effort. A sit to stand is literally seated and then a standing movement. It's going to isolate your quadriceps and your glutes. We're just going to roll for 30 seconds at a time here. Just give your best effort. If you need a chair in front of you to help you through this process, please feel free to do so. Go as slow as you can. Don't worry about challenging yourself too much. We just want to get blood flow rolling to the body. Let's go ahead and rock it. So, clock is on. I want you to lean forward with weight, stay through heels. Now we're not going as slow as you do during the exercise. Typically, I just want you to stand up, squeeze thighs, glutes, clear hips, bring hips through, and slowly head back down as slow as you can, right? The reason we want to go slow, even during these movements, coming forward, heels, is because we want to keep the forces off of your tendons, your ligaments. Hips going back, right? Squeezing. Relaxing, let's go one more time. Pressing through heels, all the way back tall, squeezing glutes, right? As you go down, keep the muscles squeezed. The slower you go, the more your muscles engage, and relaxing. Simply getting blood flow back to the quads and the glutes. Now, on these active rest modalities, this movement series here today, we're going to work down the lower body. So we just did quadriceps, glutes. We're now going to execute a movement drill that is going to target just the hip flexors, okay? Simple march out with me, okay? If you need a resistance band or a towel to help assist you because you have weaker hip flexors, please feel free to do so. Again, we're not exercising today, we are just moving. Let's rock it. All right, we're going to execute, as I mentioned, that march. Okay, so we're targeting the hip flexor. And this hip flexor is what's going to allow you to lift that leg up when you're getting into the car, right, or out of the car, up the stairs. It's an area that a lot of times people neglect. So I want you to take a seat in a chair, right, if you're not already there, and we're simply going to march. Again, use a towel, use your hands if you need to. When you are at the top and you are heading down, try to slow it down as much as possible to just force engagement. Let's rock and roll. Clock is on. Let's start with left leg. We're gonna come up just as high as you can, pause, then head back down. We're gonna go right leg up as high as we can and head back down. Now, these active rest movement drills that we're hitting today, they're literally to be executed between your exercise on a daily basis, 7 days a week. This is just gonna drive blood flow to the tissue, it's gonna reduce stiffness, soreness, and it's actually gonna maximize your recovery and allow you to develop better results in the process of gaining strength and increasing your mobility. Let's go one more time each side. I know we're running just a little bit over, right? That 30-second mark is perfectly fine. And relaxing, just driving blood to those hip flexors. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and rock and roll with one more movement here today, moving further down the chain of this lower body. We're gonna simply go an ankle flexion and extension, okay, or dorsiflexion, to get that anterior tibialis firing, calf firing, to drive blood flow to the lower limb to help increase that recovery ability in this lower body. Let's rock and roll. Okay, just like we did with the hip flexor, if you have limited mobility in your anterior tibialis, or you're suffering right now from foot drop foot, whatever you may call it, feel free to use a towel, a band to assist you through this range of motion. We're gonna go bilateral, so we're gonna do 2 at a time, okay? So feet are extended. I want you to point the toes first. Again, gonna go 30 seconds here. So clock is on. Think about bringing toes up just as high as you can. Pause, and then slowly heading back down. Now, if your range of motion does not look like mine, do not worry about that. We're just moving today. Utilize the towel if you need to, the band as well, because what we're again trying to do on these active rest recovery days is just drive blood flow to the tissue, reduce stiffness, soreness, and get that body moving. This is a great entry point if you are not feeling up to exercising for whatever reason it may be. This is something you can do. Let's go one more time on a daily basis to really help your situation and develop the best results possible to increase your mobility. And relaxing. Go ahead and give it a little bit of a rub if you want to get the blood flow back to the tissue. All right. Excellent effort here today. The cool thing about these movement series and movement drills for active rest recovery is that there is zero expectation. And even if you are currently in a chair, you're currently lacking energy, whatever it may be, this does not take long, right? 3 sets, 30 seconds just to drive blood flow to the area and utilize these again on the active rest days. You can do them 7 days a week. Throw in the videos from the prior weeks on increasing the strength of your mobility to really supercharge those results with specificity. And remember, on those, you're trying to go to muscle failure, really exhaust yourself, and add a progressive challenge to the targeted area. Now, for those of you that are interested, we currently are running a promotion. We are closing down our YouTube membership subscription, because what we want to do now is to take the service to the YouTube channel on to a whole nother level. So we're actually going to be leading live exercise classes free of charge every single month, because that's going to allow us to engage you and our individuals on YouTube at a much higher level. So with that being said, because we're closing that out, we're giving a YouTube code, okay? So literally go to the website, you can click on the monthly membership and put YouTube in the description or in the coupon code box, and you're gonna get 20% off our monthly plan. Now it's gonna be limited, right? We're not going to be doing this forever. We're just opening this small window because we are closing that membership. If you weren't a part of the YouTube membership, take advantage of it if you want to. You can again use it, but really it's for those individuals who are not going to be able to be on that YouTube channel anymore. Thank you as always. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give me a like if you liked it. And please join me next week for our YouTube video of the week, which will continue to allow you to be as strong as you can while living with whatever you are living with. Until next time, focus on these movement drills, be measured in your exercise, and drop us a comment in the box below and let us know if we can help in any way possible. See you next week. Our YouTube channel is a great place to start gaining strength, but if you want to get serious about reducing your symptoms and getting results, then you need to be on a weekly structured strength training program with other individuals just like you. And that's exactly what we offer at MS Workouts through our membership. Click the link in the video or below the video to learn how our membership can help you achieve your goals. And while you're on the website, make sure you sign up for the no-cost 7-day strength camp so you can experience how we can help you do the things that you love to do with more confidence. See you all next week.